Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix if you can't download apps on your Play Store. So there are a couple of reasons why this is happening, so let's get right onto it. So the first one is go on over and check if you are having an unstable network, data or network or your Wi-Fi or your data connection. Just find out if you are having problems with that. Okay, so after that, try and reboot your phone to see if that worked for you. If it is still not working, uh, go over to the second method and check our storage if it is full, because that is the reason why you can download the app. You have full storage already on your phone. So just check on the apps and data here. Just wait for this to load. Go over here and just uninstall unneeded apps here on your phone to have a space for that certain app you're trying to install. Okay, so just go over that, and the next method is by going over to your app manager and resetting the um, Google Play Store and Google Play services all throughout here. Search for Play Store, Google Play Store. So you can also try uninstall the updates and just update it manually. So go over to storage here, clear data. So clear cache first, okay, and clear data and hit okay. So that what will this do is it will reboot the app and also sign you out. You just have to sign in again, and that's okay. Okay, so let's go on over to the Play Store again and go on over and see on the data usage here if you have all of this enabled. So the view app settings, make sure all of this is enabled as well. So go over to the Play services, Google Play services. So we can also uninstall updates like I said. Storage again, clear data, so clear cache and okay. After that, check also on the strict data usage and make sure that the mobile data SIM 1 and SIM 2 is checked if you are using the data connection. So okay guys, those are the ways on how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.